friends, Running Kimono here. So there's lots of hair care that's up to 90% off over at Walgreens. And specifically yesterday on social media, lots of influencers were saying, go for the shampoo. But the hot tools are also part of it. And I found a bunch that are unmarked. And we're going to go through this right off the cuff. And yes, Walgreens are open today on New Year's Day. Not all shampoos are part of this, so what I will strongly recommend is to look for these orange tags, grab whichever ones you want, bring them up to a manager or a cashier and say, hey, can I get a price check on this? They'll either do it on the register or on a handheld price scanner thing called a Zebra. Ask for a quick price check, thank them profusely, wish them a happy new year, be nice. They should help you out. So this is the first one by the company Conair. It's the Infinite Pro. It's a rose gold hair dryer. The original price point is $44.99. I got it for $4.49. Hi, super deal. Also in the same company, Conair. So look for Conair hot tools, $6.49. This one was just under $65. So some infinite savings right there. Company Conair, this really cute light up mirror for $2.89. The original price was $28.99. More curling irons. We have this volume one for $2.99. The original price was $29.99. Conair, pay attention, Conair. And then we have this little curling iron for $2.19. This is what I would look for, especially if you have a lot of hair or if you like to, gift these sort of items. Just tremendous prices at 90% off. I still had one of these boosters, the 7 back when you spend $25. It expires on Wednesday. So what I did was I bought a whole bunch of clearance stuff. So I got my basket right up to $26.34. And I was asking the cashier, I'm like, hey, can I just look over your shoulder when you're scanning everything? She's like, absolutely, no problem. Paid the balance with my debit card and I got back $7 in Walgreens cash. So it made my basket of like a ton of hot tools like, $19. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards if you're using it with a booster like a 7 back when you spend $25. If you're not, just use your Walgreens cash. Other clearance items that I was able to find, nothing was tagged, was the Neutrogena, this specific one, $1.09. This little Tresemme for 60 cents. People tend to grab stuff and misplace it in weird sections, so you might be picking up stuff at full price as well. A lot of my items were ringing up full price that I had picked up, so it's critical to ask a cashier for a little bit of help, like, can you give me a price check on this? And then for the kiddos, we have a 60-cent Sensitive Skin Suave Kids shampoo. So I know that Texas, Wisconsin, here, Michigan, this clearance started on Saturday, which is normal. So if you have a little bit of time and you're not really doing much today on New Year's Day and you love shampoo or hot tools, by all means, get out to Walgreens. And if your store is not tagged, this is where you can probably find the big bonanza like I did this morning. I just looked at my receipt to say, like, how much did I save and what was the retail of all this magic that I got? $283, and, like, I also got $7 back in Walgreens cash for that one booster, and just so much stuff on clearance at 90. This is when you want to be out there looking for this stuff. What a great deal. So if this is your thing, by all means, get out to Walgreens ASAP. The next bunch of deals that we're going to look at are just if you want to head out to the store, just excellent deals of the week. The first one is with the Garnier Whole Blends or the Fructis. They are 2 for $8 on the same promotion of a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Thus, you'll have to do it in 2 separate transactions. So I was feeling these whole blends this morning because they look super uber cute. I got a shampoo and a conditioner, grabbing 2 of them for $8. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2. Make sure you have it loaded. And yes, it's not scanning in the app, but it's coming off at the till. So grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, I rolled $5 in Walgreens cash and got back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per shampoo. And yes, you can roll the Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing it with a booster such as the 7 back when you spend $25. To give you a quick peek, here is the store coupon that printed out for me, so very delighted with this. Now, if you also wanted to get the Garnier Fructis, this is what it looks like, and it's on the same promotion of 2 for $8. So we got another digital coupon for that, so they were feeling very generous this New Year's morning. Here is the coupon. It's a 3 off a 2. So if you wanted to do both this one and the whole blends, separate transactions. So in a separate transaction, grab 2 of the Fructis for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. And again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Do not roll your register reward from transaction 1 to transaction 2 because the second one will also not print out for all the new shoppers out there. Superb deal is with these smaller Dawn dish soaps for $1.29. Unfortunately, my store was not tagged, but I still knew what the deal was because I watch my own videos. Haha. Grabbing 2 of them, and you can only do 2 per transaction, guys, just to note that. It's producing a $1 register reward. So 2 of them is $2.58. You're going to get back that $1 register reward, making it $1.58 for the 2 or 79 cents per. And if you want to use some Walgreens cash and roll it to earn that register reward, yes, you can, as long as you're not doing it in concert with a booster. And then just to show you the register reward, here it is, and it's a manufacturer. It's $1 back. So I'm going to do this deal a couple more times because I do want to get a couple more of these Dawn dish soaps. What a great deal. The next one that we have is this little trio. Buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. So just look for the items tagged at $5.49. The Tide is also part of it too, but lots of gain is included as well. And here it is, buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, valid right till Saturday. Now, on this specific one, we have a $2 digital coupon on this, only this bounce. Your digital coupon, guys, so load this one because this one's really great and you can see it's in the picture, and I hate to be one of these people that look at the picture, but here it is. So here's the math. Grabbing 3 of these, that's $16.47. Subtracting that 1 digital, you're paying $14.47, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $9.47 for the 3 or $3.15 per product. And if you're using no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. As I suspected, all of these items at $5 each have $2 digital coupons, including the Oral-B toothbrush and the Burt's Bees. Again, in the app, it's not attaching, but yes, it's coming off at the till. So just look for this tagged $4 reward when you buy them in sets of 2. So we're going to grab one of these fancy dancy toothbrushes tagged at $5. And then we have a $2 digital that's attaching. And there's also a toothpaste that's also part of this too, if that's more of your thing. But this is your digital coupon. And then for Mr. Burt's Bees, we also have another $2 coupon. See, adult is part of that. Grabbing 2 of these dental products, 1 brush and 1 paste, that's $10 on the nose. Subtracting 2 $2 coupons, you're paying $6, getting back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per. Remember, you can use Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Okay, before we go on to the little giveaway, I want to talk really quickly about Christmas clearance over at Walgreens. These dates are provided by the freebie guy, and Kendall is usually right on point. The fact that it's happening on a Friday, it's kind of weird for me because it's usually a Tuesday or a Saturday, but hey, maybe they decided Friday. So Friday, Jan 6th, it's supposed to hit the second wave. I am guessing at this point, so this is estimated by Aunt Rach, 70% on Friday the 6th. The next week, I think it's going to hit 80 as they did last year. They never went to 90. It got boxed up after that weekend and sent back to head office where it gets auctioned off. I'm estimating on the percentages off, but Friday the 6th, something is happening with the clearance, if you like Christmas clearance. And then the following week, it's supposed to go even like bigger savings. So, I mean, if you're not totally Christmased out, you have a little bit of Walgreens cash and this interests you, these are the dates that I have thus far. And I've heard multiple managers also float that Friday the 6th date, so there is something to it. So before I take off, guys, let's have a quick little giveaway. So a $10 Walgreens gift card. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per subscriber. You got to be a subscriber to this channel as well, and I will pick the winner. I will pick and pin them to this top of this video on Sunday, January the 8th. So you have a week to participate. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.